Water is essential for all life forms, including plants, animals, and humans. However, it can be dangerous if not properly cleaned, as ordinary water contains many microbes, viruses, pathogens, and high levels of minerals and salts that can be harmful if consumed untreated. To maintain a healthy lifestyle, it's crucial to drink the appropriate amount of water based on your age and ensure it's safe to drink. One simple and effective method for obtaining healthier water is by drinking from a copper cup or vessel. Historically, many civilizations have used copper utensils to protect themselves from harmful diseases, and modern research confirms that copper has beneficial properties. 1. Look younger. If you're worried about fine lines, copper is a natural remedy. Its strong antioxidant properties fight free radicals, which cause fine lines. While there are several anti-aging treatments, drinking copper-infused water is one of the easiest solutions. 2. Helps fight cancer. Malignancy is another hazardous malady that is rapidly winding up exceptionally normally. While copper may not help in treating malignancy, but rather it can help with the aversion of the illness. According to the American Cancer Society, the exact mechanism is unknown, but studies show that copper complexes have significant anti-cancer effects. 3. Decreases obesity. Drinking water from a copper vessel can aid weight loss. Copper improves digestion and helps break down fat more efficiently. Ayurveda recommends drinking copper-infused water on an empty stomach every morning to help maintain a healthy body fat ratio. 4. Heart healthy. Copper has been found to help direct pulse and heart rate and bring down one's cholesterol and triglyceride levels. It likewise keeps the amassing of plaque and has the reported impact of widening veins to enable a better stream of blood to the heart. As indicated by an examination at the American Cancer Society, copper can help in controlling the heart rate and circulatory strain, and bring down the cholesterol level. 5. Boosts brain function. Copper aids in the synthesis of phospholipids essential for forming myelin sheets, making your brain work faster and more efficiently. Enhanced myelin sheets improve brain speed and efficiency. 6. Arthritis and joint pain. Drinking water from a copper cup may help relieve arthritis pain. In case you're experiencing joint pain, copper can give some awesome alleviation by battling aggravation, fortifying bones, and improving your invulnerable framework ready to fend off the condition. Copper has strong anti-inflammatory properties and is essential for the thyroid gland. A deficiency can disrupt its function. When buying copper utensils, ensure they are 100% pure. Pure copper is a soft metal that is difficult to shape into complex designs, so intricate designs likely indicate impure copper. Using copper vessels can enhance overall health, benefiting both body and mind.